Alright, my latest project that I don't have any time for is a 1993 CBR900RR Fireblade. Really cool bike. Wanted one of these when they came out too. And got lucky enough to find one. Now granted, it's kind of a basket case. Looks like it's been laid down a few times. I think damn near all the plastics, fairing cowl and all that, are going to have to be replaced. They're cracked and broken. It doesn't run, carburetors are leaking. Silicone has been used, interestingly enough, to stop the leak. Yeah, that's a true story right there. Missing the petcock for the fuel shutoff. It just is like bypassed and gone right into a filter. I mean, things like, you know, fuel pumps are zip tied together. Yeah, this cage, I'm not sure what this is called, but you know, this has been snapped off and poorly re-welded, so everything's tweaked and out of whack. Seats obviously need to be gone through. Things sat out in the sun for probably a year. Chain's no good, tires are no good. Fork seal is, you know, leaking, so those need to be gone through. It's going to be, you know, something to throw some money at, kind of like a ACR Viper, but you know what, in the end it'll be a lot of fun. So if I can make some money off of it, I'll just unload it, flip it. If not, maybe I'll just keep it and tool around on it or something. But good times. So this thing also came with an old Two Brothers Racing muffler. I'm not sure if it's the whole exhaust, if the headers are stock or not. They look ceramic coated, so they might be aftermarket. Kind of hard to see in there. Not sure till I get more of it apart, but part of it's going to have to go, at least this muffler. I just looked inside of here, and I don't know if you can see, the lighting out here is pretty bad, but yeah. Baffles jacked up and came separated from everything else, so I'm sure that's going to be heading towards the trash bin and something else put onto. Yeah, like I said, good times.